Let's make 4 kinds of compound butters.
I guess when they call me a butterface, I must have not tried mine before.
First, we'll grab our magical butter and we're gonna infuse some butter with some rosemary and we're gonna divide it up into 4 different containers after we filter it. Now it's time to start on a different compound. For the first one, I'm going to roast some garlic with some olive oil, and then once cooked, I'm going to put into my rosemary butter with a bit of salt and pepper, and we're gonna whip it until it's nice and good. Then for the next one, I'm gonna do some diced shallots, and I'll then zest a lemon, which I'll add with some chopped dill, and you know drill by now, we're gonna add it to our butter with some salt and pepper, and we'll whisk until it's fully whipped. Then we're gonna chop some chives. I'm gonna also work on my parsley. I'm gonna take the stalk off and then chop it, put it aside. Then we'll repeat the process with the tarragon, which we'll put aside for a later one. Then I'm gonna grab some honey, which I'll put with some beautiful almonds, some parsley, and we're gonna whip that up real good with some salt and pepper. You know the deal. And for a fourth one, I'm going to reduce some wine until it's pretty much a syrup, and we're gonna add some salt and pepper and the 4 herbs we've chopped before, and now we have our full butter and a beautiful whipped. Now I'm going to grab my butter mold and I'm going to add each of the butter into each encasing, making sure it's nice and flat and smooth, and tap it so we don't have any air bubbles. We'll then add my secret ingredients, a pinch of love, put in the fridge, and it's ready to be in a mold and enjoy. Bon appétit.